Day trading the stock market is one of the most risky but profitable businesses to get into in the 21st century. So many people have become millionaires or even billionaires day trading the stock market, and today I am going to put my 4 friends, Ethan, Kyle, Kale, and Fred, to the test. I am going to be giving them each $10,000 of virtual trading currency for a total of $40,000, and whichever one of them gets the best return on their money by the end of this video wins themselves a fat $300 in cash. Guys, I am super hyped for this video. I think it's going to turn out absolutely amazing. So with that being said, let's meet the contestants.
My name's Ethan Safer. I've been investing since I was a kid, and I'm here to prove that day trading is the easiest way to lose money.
My name's Kale, and I came here to win more money than Kyle.
My name's Kyle. I got second in the last challenge, and I'm not gonna let that happen again.
My name's Fred, and I'm here to win some money.
Now that we have met the contestants, it is time to give them each $10,000 in cold hard virtual currency and get this day of trading started. Alright guys, so at the count of 5, you guys can begin trading and start trying to make some money. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may all begin. And before I knew it, the contestants were off day trading stocks in an effort to make more money than the Wolf of Wall Street himself. But before the challenge could continue any further, I had to update you guys on some basic rules. Alright, so the contestants have been working hard day trading in the stock market for a little while now, and before we get any further in this challenge, I want to update you guys on some of the rules I set in place for this activity. Rule number 1, every 30 minutes this challenge goes by, each of the contestants will be put to the test with a short round of trivia regarding the world of stock market investing. Whoever gets the most questions right in each round of trivia will be able to spin what I like to call the Wheel of Fortune. The wheel has mostly good prizes such as $20 cash, but there is also a very slim chance that you get a bad prize, such as being forced to sell all of the stocks in your portfolio. Rule number 2 of this challenge is at 2 p.m. Central Time, all of the contestants must stop trading until 3 p.m. when the market closes. This will make the challenge a little bit more complicated for the contestants, and it will also keep things exciting. So guys, now that I've told you the rules, let's get into the video. Just a few minutes after that rule update, Kyle began to take massive stock market gambles. So Kyle has been doing something very risky known as margin trading, where he has basically been buying more stocks than the amount of money he has. So currently he has a negative $sign in his bank account because he has just bought so many stocks. So Kyle, did you do that on purpose, or are you trying to do this?
I was trying to sell stocks and it made me buy more.
So you're pretty leveraged right now.
Yes.
Shortly after that clip, it became clear that Kyle was absolutely broke as he lost $12,000 and had a whopping
Negative $2,618.
left in his bank account due to doing extremely risky stock options trades, such as shorting the general market when it was up over 800 points on the day. After seeing the fall of Trader Kyle, it was time for the round of trivia and wheel spin for the 30-minute update. It has officially been 30 minutes since the contestants started this day trading challenge, and it is time for the first round of trivia. I am going to be asking you guys 3 questions, and whoever gets the most right gets the chance to spin what I like to call the Wheel of Fortune. So we're going to start off with question number 1. What was the Wolf of Wall Street's wife's name?
Mary.
Do any of you guys know?
I'm just gonna first Janet.
His wife's name was Naomi. Question number 2. Who is the CEO of Facebook and also part loser?
Mark Zuckerberg.
Yeah, that's Ethan Safer. 1 point for him. Question number 3. Who is known as the Oracle of Omaha?
Warren Buffett.
So Ethan, you get the chance to spin the Wheel of Fortune. So we're gonna move over to the wheel right now and go ahead and spin for your prize. Make opponent buy $1,000 of any stock. Who do you want to sabotage?
Can I think about it real quick?
Yes, I'll let you
Okay.
think, and then
All
you
right.
can pick. So Ethan has been thinking for about 2 to 3 minutes now. And Ethan, do you have any idea of who you want to sabotage?
I want Fred, so he's gonna have to, if you're fully invested, you're gonna have to sell. $1,000 on a
Tell
stock,
when you don't.
and I want you to buy $1,000 worth of CIDM.
What kind of stock is that, Ethan?
They're a penny stock, really risky. They're already down a lot for the day. Hopefully they'll fall further.
10 minutes after buying the penny stock, I decided to check in on Fred to see how his portfolio was holding up. So Fred, it's been about 10 minutes since Ethan made you buy that penny stock. How's your portfolio performance so far?
I'm actually up 1983. The penny stock's not doing well, but it's not doing horrible. My other stocks are definitely carrying right now.
Although Fred was forced to buy and permanently hold $1,000 of a penny stock in his portfolio, he still managed to come out in the green on his investments. After checking in with Fred, it was time to talk to the contestant Kale about his new, more risky strategy for investing. 45 minutes into the challenge, Kale decided to go with an entire new strategy. So Kale, would you like to explain?
Yep, so I looked up best penny stocks to buy, and I found this one called EROS, and it was up 2% today. So I thought to put 100 shares into it, hoping it'll double, and I'll take the dub.
After hearing Kale's strategy for investing, Danielle and I decided to sneak off into a special, undisclosed location to update the Wheel of Fortune for the next round of trivia. Alright guys, so my filmer Danielle and I have snuck off into a special undisclosed location known as the Financial Wolf Studio, and it's time to update the wheel with a couple of different prizes. I want to make this challenge a little bit harder for the rest of the contestants, to make it quite difficult because $300 is on the line, so we might as well make it as hard to win as possible. So I'm going to start erasing some of these options and changing them up. Alright guys, so I just updated the Wheel of Fortune with some new, more interesting prizes. One specific thing that I changed is I added the slot, make opponent put all money in one stock. So when the winner spins this wheel and lands on this space, he can pick any contestant from this challenge to sell all of their stocks and have to put all of their money in one specific stock of their choosing to see how it goes. With the Wheel of Fortune now updated, it is time to check back in with our contestants and do another round of trivia. Okay everyone, so the first question for trivia is, who is the CEO of Apple?
Tim Cook.
Ethan, you got another point. Let's keep going. How much did Jordan Belfort make at the age of 26 years old?
3,000.
30 million.
No, he made $49 million. You know, in the trailer for the movie, he goes, when I was 26, I made $49 million.
The year I turned 26 as the head of my own brokerage firm, I made $49 million, which really pissed me off because it was 3 shy of $1 million a week.
Question number 6. What is the most pricey stock you can buy per share?
Berkshire Hathaway.
Correct, Ethan. It is Berkshire Hathaway, pricing in at over 300K per share. Ethan, you ended up winning the challenge, so once again, you can go over here and spin the Wheel of Fortune. I added some different prizes for you to choose from, and I wish you the best of luck on this spin. Sell all stocks. So that means you have to sell everything in your portfolio. Ethan, have you done anything new with your money since being forced to sell all of your open positions?
I put all of my money into one stock. I feel like day trading, it's already really risky as it is, so might as well just take a completely blind gamble and just throw my money out the window. And I put it all into Discover. It's at its low for the day. Hopefully it can rally off the lows.
Good luck, my friend. Hopefully you get some nice profits on that stock.
Thank you.
The next 30 minutes of the challenge flew by faster than Grant Cardone's jet, and it was time for another round of trivia and wheel spin. As usual, my boy Ethan won the round of trivia, and he was able to spin the Wheel of Fortune, but unfortunately, due to a bad spin, he was forced to sell all of his stocks. Sell all stocks. Once again, dang, this Wheel of Fortune thing is not working out for you. Now that Ethan has spun the Wheel of Fortune for the 3rd time in a row, it is time to check in with the contestants to see how they were doing. So Fred, how's your portfolio looking?
I'm currently up 49.65.
Awesome.
90
What about you, Ethan? How are you doing?
I'm down about $100. Day trading is pure luck when you don't know what you're doing. Somehow this idiot is beating me, but it's just the way it goes.
I'm sensing some saltiness right here. How about you, Kyle? How are things going?
I'm at negative 2,569.
Amazing. How about you, Kale? How are you doing?
I am down $59.
Soon after that portfolio update, the clock struck 2 p.m. and it was time for the zero trading hour to begin. We are about 30 minutes into the zero trading hour, and to spice things up a little bit, I'm going to give the contestants a little bit of a trivia round instead of just having them sit here and doing nothing. So I have 4 note cards in my hand with 4 different questions on them, and I also have $80 in cash in my hand. So for every question one of you guys get right, I will give you $20 in cash. So the first question I have for you guys is, what is Warren Buffett's favorite restaurant?
McDonald's.
Correct. $20.
Are you kidding me?
Next question. What is Warren Buffett's favorite drink?
Whiskey.
Cherry Coke.
Correct. Cherry Coke.
Damn it, I love cherry Coke.
Next question. What does DJIA
Dow
stand for?
Jones
Industrial
Industrial
average.
Fund.
Correct, Ethan. Another $20 for you. Who is the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla?
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk.
Kyle, you got that
Me?
right.
I
There you
definitely
go.
said
$20.
Sir.
Now that we have given the contestants their round of trivia, it is time to wait until the zero trading hour ends, and then we will find out who wins themselves a fat $300. Guys, many hours later, this challenge has finally come to an end. Trading is fully done for the day for both Wall Street investors and my friends right here, because it is now 3 o'clock and the markets have closed. So Fred, how did you finish off for this challenge?
Well, 10:79. That's how I finished my day.
Pretty good, man. $10.79 gain. Go ahead, Ethan. How would you do for the day?
I lost $466.40.
How about you, Kyle? How'd you finish
I
off?
finished at negative 2,533 and 88 cents.
You only lost $12,300. I think you recovered a bit from your low.
About $60 recovered.
That's not bad. It's not bad. How about you, Kale? How did you finish off?
I'm down $145. Just like Ethan, my penny stocks did not go so well.
All right, so it seems like the winner of this challenge is Fred. So Fred, it looks like you ended up winning yourself a fat $300. So all of this money right here is yours, my friend. How do you feel?
I'm hyped.
You're hyped?
It's up to the wolf, guys.
Definitely subscribe to the channel if you want to make a lot of money someday. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to drop a like and also subscribe. And with that all being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.